Sana into yongabi equipment, you struggle and struggle and struggle. Hi guys, I hope you're good, I hope you're fun, I hope you're blessed, and I hope you're everything that the Lord has called you to be. If you're not, you are working towards becoming everything that God has called you to be. Okay, so today we're doing a video. I'm not sure if it's gonna short or long, but I'll try to make it short. But I don't take few minutes when I'm doing my faces, so that means it's gonna be longer because we're gonna do my face while we chat and talk, and I share with you guys how I yabona good title. And these days ziyawabhubhudla amabandla, zizawabhubhudla, ziwabhubhudlele in the past because akho mntu ufuna uthetha ngazo, akho mntu ufuna ukwamkela uba in the wrong, akho mntu ufuna ukwenza into right, you know. So I thought, let me share, ndixhobise nabanye amalady and even men, because namalady ayayenza lento, to be careful of this. I hope you see something that you like and you subscribe and you comment. If you're coming for the first time, you're welcome. This is Untombi wakwavika, intombazana ezisindisileyo ezithandela uYesu, ezithandela i-success, ezithandela imali, a businesswoman and a career. What wethu zininzi eza titles, but into ebalulekileyo wethu, it's just that I am saved and I love the Lord so much and uyandinceda. Wow, I'm not perfect, I'm not rich, the each part or what, but I'm just trusting God and I'm doing this life thing with Him. So if you like that type of content, sit and dine with me. If you've been here, manubukela guys, ndiyanibona xa nibukele and ndiyayibona comment a1 kaAsakhe. I want to shout out to her. Thank you so much, girl. Asoze ndikulibala, I promise you. Yabona, when things pop for me, ndizakubiza uze stage where I was standing, uzothatha flowers zakho, because you are such a girl's girl. Thank you so much, Junior. And then let's start. Kake nifunda ukwenza makeup. Kutheni ningafuni ukufunda izinto ezizenziwa? You don't know how to do your lashes, you don't know how to do you don't even know how to do a lip combo. You don't know how to, what is it that you know? Uyazwa ngabanye amantombazana, i-Q-Tex. Xa i-Q-Tex ugcwala isandla so. What is it that you know? Your edges, your face, you don't know how to beat you don't know how to beat your own face. What is it that you know as a woman? What is it that you say you would know, you would learn in this length? Okay, come, let me teach you how to do your face. I'm not going to do ilanto zenezi because ndiyonqena kwa ukwenza iface, kofuna ibe ndiyihlambe le nto after this. So I'll just do smallanyana, ingabi deep, like a beginner, let me say a beginner friendly video. Hoping that you learn something. But if you have to, keep this video manuzojonga and buy izinto to do. Okay, so let's begin. Then the young lion. Lion. Okay, I'm not going to mention the year by no, because I don't want to, you know, and this I want it to be into that we intentionally look at. Is going to and something that we look at like ourselves, in making sure that we are doing the right thing. So we're going to start with my brows, and because I start with my brows and they take longer. So you need to comb them up. You need to comb them up and make sure they are structured, because you won't be able to draw them if they are not combed, because they will be all over the place. Some will be looking up, some will be looking down. So you need to use this by a brow comb. You need to have this. Okay, you can use a old empty mascara. You do this. Abanye they start with a gel. Gel mina. So you need to make them align to what you're gonna do. Because there's also even in really able swing, yo guys. So I need to make sure that is, I wonder how different those two are. So in the lion ikanje, guys. They are figure in this church kwelibandla ndimchasana kwelibandla, and yeah, figure I'm starting to to learn izinto, to learn the church, to learn the people, to make friends and everything. And then obviously it would not be untombi if akasevi. And so mnandi khonze without serving. Not unless ndihleli kwelo bandla ndizazi uba ndiyivisita ndihamba okanye ndihlala kude ntoni. But I always make sure that xa ndisijoyina ibandla ndiyaseva. I become something enkonzweni. I do something. I don't just want to khonza and go. I also want to help in the house of the Lord. So always ke yami ministry is worship team. I will join the worship team because that's what I'm called for. That's my purpose. So kulo nyaka ke ndiyajoyina kweli bandla fine. Kube khona i-event ezokwenziwa efunisa uba kuyosetyenzwa before church. So I'm going to be using this. You can buy this from me, 60 rand. Inezi gels ziyi-2 ngaphakathi. There's a brown and a black gel. And then this thing yokuzoba. I use the brown one. I don't like using black. I mix black and when I'm filling in because I don't like them being too dark. So you use this to draw your... But they use a pencil. I don't like a pencil. So ndijoyina kweli bandla guys, ne? And then kuzoba khona event ilungiselelwayo. I hope I'm very close for you to see. Kukho le event ilungiselelwayo, and then obviously we need to go and rehearse, we need to go and prepare food, we need to do decor, we need to do so many things. We need to clean the chairs, we need to clean the church. We need to do a lot of things. You know, when most kuzofika visitors enkonzweni, like kuzobakho into enkulu event, kuyacleanwa kwenziwe izinto ezininzi. So it was that type of a thing. We were the hosts, so I don't think I like it, but let's continue. I'm gonna like it. Okay, that's better. So let's fill it in with the dots of black. The product I apply, so you put it like this, a dot, like a dot, a dot, a dot, a dot, so that it doesn't, you spread it out in a cylinder one. And then I mix it with my brown again. And then I do dots so that nale pencil ingabi in a product in dot, 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 dot. And then I start filling them in. When I fill them, I make sure that I am still combing them up and I am equally distributing the product. Do you see? Okay. You don't want bright and darker places. They need to be equally pigmented. So, actually, okay, kule nto yale event ilungiselelwayo sibe busy ke guys, sibe busy. Busy nam ndincedisa kuzo zonke ile nto. Xa kuzawubakho into mos umcimbi, you cannot say uba hayi mna ndiyiworshipha andizukwazi uhlamba izitya, hayi mna ndiyiworshipha andizukwazi uyotsha. You do everything. So it happened uba ndiyoncedisa kule ministry yalo bhuti naye wenza into kwenye icala uncedisa kwenye into. So eziba ndincedisa ke ngoku we start talking, ne? Ungubani igama lakho, what's your name, what is it that you do? Okay, we talk, we talk about school. I did this and that in school. My mother, I did, like, we talk, you know, the questions you ask when you're still trying to get to know someone. Those are the questions we were busy like asking each other. In fact, he was asking me because I was shy and I didn't want to intrude. So the man depended like no, I'm doing this and this and this, and then he's like, even in singing, wow, you sing so nice, what. We talk about that and it passes while we are busy doing what we're doing. We are cleaning, we are doing everything at church. And there's everybody, guys, like, we are not the only people inside the church or in church, like, busy, so we are talking. And then in the process of us talking, you start asking me questions about my life, and I answer even personal things. And then that day passes, and then the second time we come, we are still doing this, we are still preparing for the event, and they start asking me about boyfriends and marriage, kids, life, things that I would love to be part of, and everything we do. And then we started talking, like even more genguko. Now I was excited in the sense that, oh, Sana, I'm so glad that I'm making friends in this church. I feel like I belong. Finally, I'm talking to people, I'm making friends. So I was happy, guys. I'm not going to lie. I was happy that Kuko Umtu was interested in knowing me better, who recognizes me, who notices me. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's a feminine feature. As females, I'm going to tell you now, because I have sat down for 4 years at DCK studying human behavior. A female, it daliwe into yobana ithande attention, that it's in your natural nature. Xa uyifemale, you like it, it feels good. But if umuntu ongayifeelishiyo sana, I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with you, okanye maybe there's nothing wrong with you, but it is in your nature. Like it's in you, because you are being pursued. It's something, it feels good when you're a female udaliwe. It's like amadoda edalelwe uhanda ukulandelela. So I hope you get. Now we want to use, oh, forgive me, this is very dirty. We are going to use this brush. It is to apply our concealers, and yeah. So I was like, yo, I'm starting to make friends, and also there's someone who notices me, blah 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 blah. And attention from the opposite sex, it will always be nice sometimes, but most times it's boring. I get annoyed when I'm being pursued, and guys, like I hate like, I don't like being pursued. But also I do understand that it is in my nature to like it when maybe someone is, for example, in this case, it was someone in church, so there was nothing for me to hate or kumba about. So I like to mix my concealers, like all colors, so that it stays and it attach mostly below my eyebrow. I like to use different colors, so that you need to use a lighter shade underneath. Then it needs to look like your skin underneath, because you're still going to, you're going to use what is this thing? There's a colorful way too. Then you need to make sure that Linda is brighter. Yeah, so okay, we can leave this one here. Is a residue. I'm okay, I'm making friends, and I was happy, and we went home again. And then this day he was like, can you hug me? I hugged him, and we left. Then this other day comes again, another day comes. We are busy, we are working. I think the day of the event now, we are working, we're preparing, the guests are coming in. I could look on the makeup here with the lashes on. One is because they can get dirty. Where's in desire someone goes into those lashes. Okay, so we are figuring guests, we are preparing, guys, we are busy. And then we are obviously that day is long silly between I did my makeup and cleaned and made those worship team colors, the worship team like the glow and second. That is the day basically in Bonahas when we were busy preparing them like their light and there's us. So Uzakom is like, yo, I'll say, no, did you do your lashes? Oh, your nails, wow. Like as normal is mnandi from a man, because I think this is good. Okay, so wow sana and ndiqala ngonconyo ke mna ke ndibalisele, and ndiqala ngonconyo at least by aba bantu endifuna abandincome, so I was feeling good. Then yaqhubeka ke i-program yangulo mini, kwamnandi with you guys, kwamnandi. And then simane sijongana ke nobhuti ke during iservice nje wethu laa nto uba wow ntontoni yabo. And then yagqitha imini ye-event. Okay, sashiyeka ke thina ke because after kumke igets funeka kuklinwe izinto zibithule ngendawo zazo ukuthi inintsi into eyenziwayo. So sashiyeka as i-host, cleaning, tidying up, doing everything. And then we also got a time to chat. Even then he started asking me questions. So he was like, can I take you on a date? And I was like, no, I'm fine, no problem with that. We'll see when I have time because I'm busy. Sizobona. So one thing about me guys, I'm not gonna date bantu. Dating to me is sitting down with you in a table, eating food, spare ribs and what are those things? Spare ribs and onion rings. Sitete, I want to know you. And that doesn't mean or there's something that we're gonna do. I want to know you first, then we can proceed. Other than that, andikwazi mna uvele ndiyomaphaya kudime sekuthiwa ndiyamiswa ndiphutshwe ngumntu that I won't do. Into endazixelela yona ke leyo ndisaqala ukhonza uba leyo uba wathi umntu ndiphuphile then kuvuke sekuthiwa siyatshata without me sitting down with him getting to know uba bhuti uyambhatala no-10% enkonzweni. Do you love children? Do you prioritize spending time with your family? Like, I need to know you. So nanqaba we can go and it's going to be in a public place because we are both Christians. There's no need for us to go ekamereni yakhe okanye ekamereni yam. So I was fine with that. And then I was like, okay, I will let you know the when and the how and blah, 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 blah. But I think I like you. And I was like, oh, okay, no problem. We're gonna go and talk and have get to know each other more. I think it's this Lindo's light. So we were gonna have a date when we stop being busy or when we have time. Fine. And then Young Lion yacela number yam ndayinika because we were supposed to talk more about when are we meeting, how, way, kanjani. So I gave him my number and then we started talking. Obviously, even some more about other things, music, everything. It's comfortable because it's a phone even at home. And then but yeah, I was careful enough to think about I don't want to talk with him ebusuku like ngeewee hours because a lot can go wrong. You cannot be efowunini nendoda ebusuku nge-1 a.m. There's obviously kuzovuka amanyala apho. Obviously. Ayikwenye into ecingwa ebusuku. Mostly ngamadoda. So you need to be cautious uba uyajola, uyadata. Enkonzweni I'm pursuing umtshato, you need to be careful uba ayisana you don't entertain umuntu like 24/7 because kaloku sana kuzawuvuka izinto and thina sesisona sesasitya siyasazi. So it's you need to set boundaries for yourself. Uyazi into yobana i-conversation eke yagqithela ekuthinini mna andisabi part yayo because it will lead me to do something that I don't want to do. And when I look back at it, andizuba proud ngam. So we stop. Guys, do you see how beautiful those brows are? If there's one thing that I've mastered, every woman is beating my face. I have mastered this thing. Mind you, ndaqala nini? I don't know, mzana. Ndaqala ndibona umama ezifaka i-eyeliner. Ayifaka laa nto yala i-pencil. And I would watch her. Ndizawuyenza into enziwa ngulo mama. Ndizawuyenza. And ndizazifundisa. Hayi ke I started boarding school, hostel. Oh, look at kufunda uba kumbeka ndawoni umuntu. Now let's put gel on them. And then so we're planning to have a date. Nalena andizuvele ndiyibeke endaweni ebanzi, ayibeka ipiece ngepiece like dots and dots. I think you've seen by now that I like dots and dots. Like they distribute e-product evenly, so that's why ndingayibeki endaweni eyi-one all at once. So we are also brushing them up with the gel to make sure that they are defined. And if the cookie product ehleli yezizigaqa, we are now brushing it out with a gel, making it wet and wild and naturally looking. So guys, we don't want eyebrows ezingathi ziqonyezelelwe bazalwane. We want them to look as natural as possible. Do you see? And then we were planning to have a date. I get weekend busy and I wasn't looking forward to a date with busy then and if I don't have time, I don't have time. We'll see when we both have time and are comfortable. And then we started talking. Now that we have time, can go for we started talking, and he started asking me questions. And then was ufika kwinto manje sithi uyandikhumbula okay, I think this is getting uncomfortable now. First off, you don't know me to miss me. What is it that you miss? Can you because we don't know each other. What is it that you really miss? But I guess it was fine. Let's go to my primer. We are supposed to have already, but it's fine. I say primary because this is a step, this is a tutorial. With Bendy's and I wasn't going to cover my face because say boo moisturized already. Then let me push it back. And then we started talking more deep. What are we gonna do? Where are we gonna meet? We planned, and we were fine. We were both fine with the ndawo esizoya kuyo and everything. And restaurant, what. That's my type of a date, guys. And I'm a lady. Take me out, Sana. Take me out. Nanini say out. Buy me food. I said to him and Savannah. So he started talking by voice and this other there's a day he found me outside and then and I was like, I wait and called the result and so and then we started talking about those things. By from that day, by you're very pretty. And that's after that, and I was like, oh, okay. I didn't know, but I still remember that day. I didn't think it wasn't in Tloko. And I felt like Tloko. But I sit here and then if I get in Tloko, before kuphele into. This other day we are preparing. He's busy talking about the fact that he would love to conversation nabanye abazalwane ba yo hayi mina soze ngithathe umfundisi hayi mina soze ngithathe into naye. He's like yo hayi mina ndifuna umuntu avuthe but also abe stylish, abe mhla azithande, enze makeup, abe slender, athintini, abe mhle, abe bougie, abe saved and bougie. No. I was kind of like, this guy is talking about me, ne? Because and I was like, I'm mixing two colors because I don't want this to be too bright. As you can see, but the end is too yellow for my skin. So, but when you mix it with a color that is a bit closer than you, than your skin, then it won't be as bright. It will be blended with this other color. Oh, now he's like, oh, I'm working towards being married. He has. So I'm looking for someone. Maybe we can build something. That's they align, guys. Young lions. Amadoda inkonzo phofu. Namadoda wonke all around the world. Amadoda ayazi ba umtshato siyawuthanda. And abanye bethu sebede ba desperate for wona. So that's they align. Xa beku-approach baza mostly if usenkonzweni. Because akho nto unothetha ngomtshato kwi-groove. Kwi-groove, guys, we having a nice time. And when isifundekela ngento is serious, yabo. asifuni uva into yomtshato kwi-group, sifuna uva nice time, buy me a drink, and then we'll see where we go from here. But enkonzweni it's a different story. They know the glitch abafana, they know the buttons to press xa beku-approach. You need to be careful as a lady. Ungathi ngenxa desperate for umtshato okanye ufuna umtshato okanye ufuna ude uhave sex, because some people are virgins, they are preserving themselves for marriage. Ungathi kuba ufuna ude kuthiwa hayi wena u-10 ude wayiheva isex ube desperate for umntu oke waqhuma wathetha ngomtshato, the first person that talks about umtshato kuwe seyeyilibambo lakho. No, be careful sithandwa sam, be careful and get to know umntu, sit down and consult with God. So we were talking and you were saying those things, and then I knew okay, this is getting serious, I need to go to God. And because I'm not going to lie and say kuni guys mna ndandigamcicela, umfana was very pretty, yo mhle wayemhle, umntana womntu mhle, nam usisilenda uyitype uyazitika ii-boxes, uyile nto njengoba sithi naye ufuna isilenda esikwazi ukucula nto. Nam xa ndijonge yam ezam ii-boxes uyazitika mhle, is not ugly, he's safe, he loves the Lord, he's like urayithi guys, uthika zonke ii-boxes. So I had to go to God and be like, Bao, I think this is getting serious, yabo, and andifuni ukuzifaka entweni ndingacingelanga okanye endingayazi or ongayifuniyo for mna, because ii-plans ziba zezethu most times and then izigqibo zi-end up izezakho. So ndicela le nto lo mfana uintervene, just help me. I don't know about how, help me, because I don't want to ukuba swayed yiyo indiphambanise kanti ayizundincedisa nganto. At the same time andifuni ukuluza umntu kanti ebeyinto endifunela yona, uyabo, because thina abantu asibazi, basiwa nguwe wena, uyibona even ingaphakathi lo mntu. So help me, oh dear God. I was honest with my God. That's how I talk with Ubaw. I talk with God alike as the way we're talking now. So ndamxelela ndathi, hey, it's getting out of hand. I think ndiyamthanda, nam ndiyamfuna, umhle, urayithi, une-qualities zendoda kaThixo, but ke ngoku andifuni uzenzela. Please help me. Ndatsho ndilala futhi that day. Yadlula into. And then as we were talking, talking, ndabanqoma ewe shame ndimcacele, but andizukwenza anything without the help from God, or uThixo andibonise something ngaye kwidate sizawuya nto, but that's me getting to know him. Andizuthatha kwa decision enkulu ngaye before the Lord speaks to me. I think I'm well blended now. We can conceal. So guys, siqhubeka sincokola ke ne-Young Lion. Hayi bo, Young Lion, we start talking about sex ke ngoku. And it's quite shy ke mna guys, as you can see. I'm not shy mna to talk about topics ezinzima. I'm even thinking of starting a sex talk with umntanam ngoku, because kuthiwa bane-crush abantwana bethu, and I need to let him know everything before isitrato simazise ooTikTok bamxela. So ii-topics ezinje, I don't shy away. Ndikhala noba ingabuzwa ngumfundisi. If you want us to talk about sex, let's talk about sex. If you want to talk about pornography, masturbation, let's talk about those things and deal with them. I'm not scared. And going to discuss finances, I am not scared in izinto. Even in a relationship, I will ask you questions. So nangaboni into wrong ngaye uthetha nge-sex, because it's part of something that we are going to do eventually xa sitshatile, if we get to that stage. So siyancokola like we are busy, and then ndazoqala uba uncomfortable ngenye imini undifowunele ebusuku, kusebusuku. He is not supposed to be calling me. That's my boundary. Ndisetele because ndiyayazi iincoko ezithethwa ebusuku nendoda zilidishe emanyaleni. So ndazelela iboundary yoba andiyenzi loo nto leyo nendoda, noba ungubani andithethi nawe ukuthi kube ziyi-hours. So mostly that I'm not even dating, I don't give you like that much attention. You're not supposed to get that much attention from me, because izawundibhidisa mna. I know ngapha kwe-curtain, like I know what happens. So ndiqale ngokuba uncomfortable ke ngoku, but ndabenqaba I'm fine with discussing this, andinangxaki, masiyidiscuss. We start talking about sex and those things, and then ke ngoku uzoqala undibhida xa efowuna ebusuku, afowune. But lucky for me kule nto yam yoba ngumntu osisafarishe kwi-insomnia, wafowuna ndingalilanga, ndandisahleli. bamba ifowuni ufona nge-WhatsApp call abe sesithi hayi ndikucingile, I miss you, ntona ndicingene kuWhatsApp, ndingene kuWhatsApp. Xa ndifika besithi ndiyakuthanda, like yatshisakeleleka, ndiyakuthanda and ndiyakufuna ukuza apho ngoku. I'm like, hayibo, ebusuku, uyaphi ebusuku? Hayibo, kusebusuku sana, and we're not even supposed to be talking about this. All the time, like, we can talk about it in the morning. And I remember we had a plan for us to have a date. Why now? Why do we have to talk about those things ebusuku? Ude undifonele. And he was like, hayibo, I want to get married, so I want to come. Did you know? Not endlini yami kalosana, ebusuku, not endlini yami. You don't do that. This is a dark lenduka now. We're applying it to the chicks before we do it. We blushing and doing it. So I always mix it. There are two of them. I always mix them to make my chicks a little bit defined, you know. And the ends of my magic get just inch. So then that I put, and then came book. He was like, yo, Sanand, I am honey, like as in and on as we speak. Did I put, you're not supposed to be talking that with me. We're not supposed to be having that conversation. At all. It's wrong. He was like, yo, I'm sorry. But I cannot help myself. Galamini, you hugged me at church. I felt something. And I didn't even know, but he felt something. And I was just hugging. And then he pointed things. Well, yo, the way you look at me, your eyes, what they are so sexy. On whatever it is, it has led him to think that he olula, that he can access when he's feeling horny, when he's feeling on, when he's feeling like he wants to have sex. To satisfy the urge. And I understand. Listen, I'm not comfortable talking about this and so please. We're like, oh, okay, I'm sorry. But again, so but there's no point in don't. Did I ask, but did you tell I'm getting uncomfortable. Then emva kwezitsuku ndivuke ngenye imini endisendele ngo-2 a.m. ndivuke endisendele his dick. I'm gonna say it out loud because his private parts. Anyway, it's called that. It's the penis. So xa ndijonga ixesha usende ngo-2 a.m. wayidelita waphinda wasenda omnye uview once wamyeka. So mna ndavuke ekuseni xa ndithi ifowuni nantsini isifowuni yena. And he was like, oh, I'm sorry, but I had to send you this. I didn't sleep. Lo mhlekazi has been like this ever since I spoke to you. So when I asked about Mantini, no, I was like, I think I need to block this guy right now. But then something in me yavuka into yoba i-compassion uba man ekugqibeleni ngumntana lo. Because naye ndambuza ngenye imini sincokola uba how old do you think I am? And he was like, you're 25. And I was like, 25? Uthi ndadlula kudala apho mna. I know I look young. I know uba ndibhityile xa ndibona mna ndibona, but I've passed that. So xa ndisendela le nto kwavele kwavuka i-compassion kum. Ndaqonda, okay, I need to set a boundary and ndimblock okanye I need to cut him off entirely or I need to talk to him. I resorted on, okay, let me talk to him. And I was like, are you okay? Are you okay at home? Like, are you fine? Is everything okay at home? I was like, yes. And then why are you doing the things that you do? Why you are thinking about sex 2 a.m.? You are alone. But you are thinking about, are you fine? Because abanye abantu, they masturbate. I used to masturbate when I felt like I'm alone, I'm stressed, I want to feel pleasure. I used to watch porn when I felt like better in my life. Until I got delivered, you guys. And I prayed about it, fasted, and I confronted the spirit and because if ndiyazivumela sizandithatha zindibeke in places ezirongo and sasandibeka in wrong places. So ndaqomba I know the spirit lo mfana adila naso, so let me attack it kwangoku. Ndithi alright, ndithi yazi I would suggest that you talk with someone. Do you have someone oyi-leader or a mentor othetha naye enkonzweni that can help you with ukuvukela? Because uvukela, it's a normal thing mostly to them. Bayakwazi ulala umuntu avuke seye on idaliwe, andiyazi bothi xa yenzelani but ikhona idaliwe. So I was like, you need to talk to someone about your desires. Umxelele uba you have desires and you don't know what to do with them. Ziyakuphazamisa and they're distracting you and they're making you chase abantu enkonzweni. Because you cannot be thinking of sex with 2 AM guys. Nangokuba ndothule ncinga uba what's the next thing that I can do to make money? I'm not thinking about sex. So I think abantu abatshatileyo who are allowed to think about sex because nansi indoda ica kwakho sisi wam. You can do whatever it is that you like with it. At least une right. Tina, I don't think we are allowed to be thinking about such things at night. Like let alone nguthu. So ndimlanduka ndibona son, I need to put my psychologist shoes on apha, my big sister shoes on, my strict church shoes on, ndimbonise lo mntwana because uyalahleka ubhuti. Ndiyambona uba ndithetha nje athi yena no, it's not that deep, it's not that deep, come on, I don't need help, I'm fine, I just want you. Vele ngokutshintshile uba ndifuna ukuthatha, ndifuna ukufaka uwanti because uyabona uba hayibo lo mntana uhlakaniphile and uhlakaniphile akandivumeli mani kunini ndisifuna uyakwakhe, ndifuna ukwenza izinto but akandivumeli. It's like it's not that deep wethu. I want you to be honest. To be honest, I want to have sex with you. When I look at you, your body, no, like he became explicit. Wow, you make me want to do things. No, when you smile, when oh Lord, deliver us. And I was like, nathi nanso ke Thixo into bendifuna. Yabo le nto bendiyithandazela ngoba ndikuxelela ndiba honest ngale nto kuwe before you got that's this. I wanted this guy to reveal himself. I wanted to see uba xibonika pende, and now that I see, I have decided and I'm done uba I am not going to marry this guy. And ndingazomtshata nje, I'm not going to be part of the list yabafazi okanye women abamncedisayo okanye ebabemncedisa to fulfill his pleasures. I'm not going to be part of that. Ndiyazikhupha mna right now God. Ndathetha naye ndambona uba akazundiva, akandiva, akafuna undiva, uthi yena right ufuna nje sex. Ndimbuze na what is it, did it kuya, do you know that I have umntana that I did not plan because I had sex before time and I had unprotected sex. No, do you know, do you want to wake up ngenye imini, okay, let me just say ndikuvumele uzapha kwam, we have the sex. Uzawuthini kwamse xa ndivuka ndixela uba I'm pregnant, umntana ngowakho. Sometimes ufumanisa noba ayinguyena wakho nalo mntana, like ndiyaxoka, I want to prep you. What are you gonna do? Why ungekho careful about protecting yourself, about protecting your spirit? Wahamba ufuna ulala, do you know me? What if ndinezifo? What if ekhaya kuyathakathwa, umuntu olele nam uba uphinda aqhubeke lalwa zizilwane ebusuku, uphupha ngathi uhave sex engayihevi? Like, why is it that you don't protect yourself? You need to be careful about those things. Sex is not just about sex. We can have sex, we can have fun, but what is going to happen tomorrow? Xa uvuka so ungumntu othanda utywala because ulele nam ndithanda utywala, ndithanda ihabli neentoni, and then because of i-soul ties you get attached to those things. Uzivumana apha kum, what are you gonna do? What is going to happen? Ndimbona uba guys akandiva abathi kundibuza uba have you done sex before? Ndithi I'm telling you I have. I'm not a virgin, I'm not like you. Athi yena uli-virgin, he has never had sex, he had tried to have it before but he failed. Okufeyila ke I think laa nto baqhathana ngayo as abafana about virgin breakers and everything. So ndiqoma iwasana ngumntana lo, like lusana eli libomvu lidinga ndibe ngesisi walo at this moment. Ndithi hayi mntanam, that's not the way you go. Ndithi so ulindile, you are very old. Xa useli-virgin ngoku ulindile and uThixo ukuncedile, what makes you think that akazokunceda going forward? Guys, we're applying ii-powders. Wo ndilibeleka lo mntu. Did what makes you think God is not going to help you ube ke ngoku fulfill the promise, like uhlale and have sex when you're married? Why ukhatha this thing ngoku? Because I don't think that's right for you. Awuzoyimela. Sex open many doors ebomini bomntu, iza kuvulela amacango that you did not expect. Sazi xa sisela utywala thina utywala singabuseli because we slept with people ababezi-drunkards besolva iingxaki zabo ngotywala, everything ike yakwa every day. Umntu ulale ephethe ibhiya, uvuke ephethe ibhiya, ulale ephethe ibhiya. We find ourselves being like that. Siqomba xa sinezistress ngoku ayisekwenye into esifuna urizotha kuyo, sirizotha in alcohol. And uzibuze uba why? Because you were not like that and you're not like that. But because you slept with someone who's like that, you're going to be like that by nature. Awuna choice, but you're going to be like that. Isotha yinto enjalo. So ndamxela ezinye and he was like, yo, thank you so much for opening my eyes. Ntona. Bendingayicinganga kanjalo, but now I see how dangerous everything is, and thank you so much. But I'm gonna be praying for you, but I need you to find a mentor. I need you to find someone that you're going to talk to about this thing. Because if you don't, one thing about it is once you think about it and start pursuing it, you're not going to stop until you feel satisfied, until you release as you release. Did you need to find someone else who's going to help you? Because unfortunately, if you don't deal with this, iza kulandela until ude uyenze, because usana ufuna loo nto, ufuna ude uyenze, umoshe uthini, and then xa sogqibula phaa ikone nakuhleke. So you need to be careful. That's why I need to ufumane imento. And then he was like, hayi, ndivile ntono ladlula elo suku kazi ndaqomba, thank you God for ungibonisa i-true color yalo mfana. I'm done. I no longer think about the possibility of marriage because ndibonile uba ngumntu onjani. I am no longer going to be thinking about izinto ezidibene naye, ndiyabulela. We're going to apply this up and then up kwi-nose bridge. And then there's a contour because angina contour, it's been a long time. So ludlule olo suku guys, iphele loo nto. The next day abuye umntana sandibe ngathi ukhanga ahambe. Ndikuvile but still I want you man, I need you, don't know, I want to have sex with you, don't know, ubusy. Ndaqomba I'm blocking this guy. Ndathandaza ndathi bawo ndizamile, undibonile akho nto ndingayenzanga, ndithethile naye umntana ndizamile akho nto ndingayenzanga. But uyambona uba ingaphezu kwamandla am, udinga enye indoda, udinga omnye umntu ongaphezu kwam, mhlawumbi onamava, mna ndizokwazi. Ndiyambhlokha ngoku, ndambhlokha, ndaphuma kuye. And then le maybe ndibalise ngayo, then ndizofundisa ke ngale nto. Ngenye igame yongo ndithi ndiyathi enkonzweni kuthiwa wena ujola no-so and so. And I'm like, mna nini kanjani? Why nizothetha loo nto? Nibone ngosasimane sisebenza sonke apha enkonzweni. Kuthiwa no, kuthiwa ujola naye uthi uhambe sithi uba ujola nawe. No. I was mad, but at the same time I was like, it's fine. Ndababalisela abantu, guys, do you know uba laa mntana is sick mentally? Uyagula laa mntana, akekho right apha entloko. Bendicinga uba ndiyibona ndedwa loo nto okanye ndim-analyze psychologically. But now that nithetha le nithetha uba uhambe ethetha ezo nto, that means he's honestly and really sick and udinga attention. Ndibe sendibalisela abantu kube kuthiwa yho, hayi ke tana unjalo, unomntana wamithisa apha enkonzweni, unomntana. Ndithi what? Kuthiwa ewe, unomntana wamithisa. Ndinona wayeyimposta nalo mntana sithi banomntana bazawutshata, kwathini. Ndithi hayi bo, so abe sithi omnye, yothula wena, mna uthe kum ngala event uze mandimbambe i-private part yakhe, his honey, enkonzweni kwenye iroom ebekwa kuyizitya, wathi mandimbambe, wandivalela phaa wathi mandimbambe ntonto. Ndithi hayi mihlolo yam. Wamrevila uThixo kanjalo. That is the importance, guys, of talking with God, being honest and vulnerable before God. So umfihlela uThixo izinto, even your feelings. Tell him, God, kukho lo mfana umhle. But sometimes ngumntu ongeke approach okanye ngumntu ongazi approach. But because you are at church and ukhulele enkonzweni mhlawumbi njengathi, you shy away. Don't shy away from your feelings. Validate them. Right, you are an emotional being, udaliwe. But ke ngoku you need to deal with them spiritually. Uba xa ndine-feelings zendoda ndenza njani? You talk with God. Ngokuqalela. What is it that we need to apply? A blush and a highlighter. Tell God, uba kho lo mfana umhle mani kuworship umuculayo une-dimples. I think I like him, God. But ke ngoku, you know that apha we don't do things ngolo hlobo, ngolayikha nothini. We do things your way, Father. Ndicela susa amehlo am kulo mfana. ndiyeke ungafocus enkonzweni ndibe ndijongene naye. And also if kukho into ekufuneka ithethe kum uzamenza ithethe, I believe that akho nto uyoze uyimisishe ebomini xa iye yakho idalelwe wena. Even if umfana angangathethi mhlawumbi ngo-2020 angathetha ngo-2017 2055. So be honest with God and be like, God, andisayithandi ke le nto, andikwazi ukhonza mna, ndiandresa lo mfana xa ime phaa ecula, ndiyamrhalela. Be honest with your God. He is your father ekugqibeleni. He knows you. He created you. And ezi feelings zakhe khona zirayithi, zirayithi, zivalid. Zii-feelings ozazisebenzisa xa utshatileyo, zirayithi. Akukho wrong into yoba ube naso, but you need to learn how to do. You need to be honest with yourself, ungafihli. And isono ke sana ndikubasele, sifunctiona kakhulu in secrecy. Into efihlwayo, if awusixeli kwabanye osisothandazana uba hey guys mna ndiyamasturbate ngo-12 ebusuku, light iphone ndizicofe until I come, uzawusokola, awuzukhula. And into ebuhlungu ngezaa zinto is that uzenza the immediately ugqiboyenza uyazonyanya, you feel bad. You feel bad because uyayazi uba ayiyo nto erayithi ebifana uba uyenzile. So you need to deal with your edges. You need to be honest. Akusoze ndithethe into valid other than leyo yoba funeke ube honest with God and yourself. Uzichaze, uzixele, bawo bendisespa, bendiseboxer, ndabona omnye ubhuti engasemhle, ndaona that be honest. Akho nto izakunceda njenge-honest. UThixo uzakunceda naxa ubona uba umntu ungathi ungumntu orayithi, mostly aba basenkonzweni. Mxelela uThixo, oh baba ukho lo mfana uyandifuna mhle orayithi, nam ndiyamfuna but andifuni ukuzenzela, ilele apho. I want to obey you with my body. I want to obey you with my life. Andifuna uzenzela. Ndiyithini into yalo mfana? UThixo uzakwenza into ezinje, ambhence, amveze. Bakhona nabafana abarayithi enkonzweni, not bonke abafana banje. Uzawumveza uThixo akubonisa uba nalo ewe yena urayithi, ukind, uthini, and akakuleqi nokuleqa sexual wise, ntoni. But uncwasa wonke umntu apha ebandleni. Okanye akubonisa uThixo uba hayi mani lo mfana in terms of finances akangumntu akazuba right for him. Okanye ukrwada, uyathuka, uthetha unezi-qualities that you don't like but is hidden because awumqhelanga, awumazi. So you need to let God know about such things. Be honest. Uzakutyilela uThixo into okufuneka uyibonile. Trust me. Ungabifihleli and ube ne-community. Abantu othandazana, mna ezam iitshomi endithandazana bayayazi. Ndiyamxelela umntu uba tshomi, hayi ke sanizolo ngala mini bendinestress, umntanam bekuthiwa akanakutya and ndazibona sendinedatha, ndazibona sendiyodownload iphone, ndazibona sendiyibukele. There's nothing wrong with that. Ebantwini othandazana, that is where your victory is gonna come. And uThixo uzakunceda if you say God andiyithandi le nto othi xa ndimele ndiphuphe ingathi ndi-heavy sex, ndibe ndingayi-heavy, ndivuke ndimanzi, ntoni. God will help you. Uza kunceda uthi xa ayilwe ayisuse, because you will find that ulala nabantu abanoba ulala nezilwane zale mizi bukade uhamba ulala kuyo, okanye mhlawumbi uli-virgin but kukho imoya ekuchwechwelayo, ekupressurizayo, efuna uba yithi ube yile nto lonke ilizwe eliyiyo. And sometimes your mind, you sit down and you think about things. Xa ulele izinto zikubuyele and you think it's the devil, kanti it's not the devil, it's your mind. You have a dirty mind. Ingqondo yakho is dirty. Ucinga izinto ezimdaka, and therefore you need God to help you. So uzukwazi uzinceda kwezo zinto ezo. Ispirit sikaJezebel, guys, it's very strong. Ndisazi apha kum mna. It's very strong and siza kubuyisela umva ebomini. Siza kwenza izinto ongafuni uzenza. Nespirit sepain, xa uhurt ube ngumntu okhule ehurt, evinjwa ukutya ke in my case, like izinto ezininzi zisenzeka, i-rejection, utshatyelwa ngumama, uthini. You cannot heal those things nge-sex okanye nge-porn. You need God to sit down and help you. Umxelele uba unezi-childhood traumas. Ndine-pain, kubuhlungu, mna zange ndithandwe ngondandikhula. Umama wayengasithandi equally, utata wayendireyipha, umalume wayendithuma utywala. Ntono ndinezi-pains, God. Guys, ndilibele ngoku mna into fucking i-highlight, ndilibele into ne-tutorial, you just watch. But I need you guys to be careful emabandleni. Not wonke umuntu okhonzayo is saved. Not wonke umuntu osecaweni is good. Ithi iBhayibhile ithi akusingabo bonke abathi inkosi abazawulingena izulu. Don't be vulnerable. Uhambe uzintlithekisa kwaba bafana kwababhuti basecaweni because bangcolile. Once ubona orayithi ongathi ukurayithele, consult God. Uthixo xa uthembekile akaze uyifihle uthixo into ekufanele uyibonile emntwini, soze akufihlele, soze akufihlele. Uyehova kuleyo into ndiyamthemba futhi ndiyamazi, ndimbonile apha kuni. So please be careful bangcwele, be careful emabandleni, be careful. Lo mfana kwangathi uthixo wambhenca that abantu barivile izinto ngayo ebandleni, bandixelela so many things. Ndaqonda uba imagine if bendiye ndathula ndangamxelela uthixo loo ndayifihla ndayenza behind his back, ndajola andilale umfana sogqiba emva koko aphumane nam, because utsho ngomlomo wakho uba I want you actually. It's your body, it's your face, it's your eyes that make me want to sleep with you. Andifuna utshata mna, ndifuna nje ukuncunda ndive uba kunjani. What happens to me after that? Imagine i-sickness that goes around emabandleni, abafundisi abakhulu doing those things ebandleni. Kube kukho umntana usandofika mhlawumbi e-16-year-old esandosindiswa, eve ngoyesu, Yesu yamthanda, yamlandela, yathatha i-decision. Kukho amadoda anjalo ebandleni enza ezo zinto, afuna ukuwisa abantwana. Dukuduku uve ukuthi umntana umithiswe kwalapha ebandleni, and akazikwazi uyitshela ngoku ii-abortion zivela apho. Lo tata koyikisa tambosikhupha because kaloku umfazi wakhe cannot know le nto, ube lihlazo, uthini, iqala apho. That's why you need to talk about it. Zisuka to God, to your friends, to yourself. Be honest. Ungaphiki xa uncwasile, uvuma apha ngabantu uba ndimncwasile, ndiyamrhalela baba, yabo this one ndiyamfuna apha ngaphakathi kum. You need to be honest. uThixo uzakunceda, uzasinceda uThixo because uthembekile. And uThixo xa ufuna ukwenza into right kuye ngayo, uyakubona and uyakuncedisa. I'm going to do a look comb. I think we've done them simply ntombazana. So that's the story. Bendifuna nje unixhobisa guys, akho nto ndithini. Andifuna andimbheshi, andimnyashe nangokuba ndingambona what is that? Andinomnantsika bulala okanye ndikonyanya well no. But kunaloko I would feel sorry for him uba sana you need God. You need God to help you deal with ezi spirit olwa nazo, because the spirit is ulwa nemimoya but awuzazi. Because sometimes siyakwazi ukwenza izinto sicifana sizivisa kamnandi, uzibone unxila uqemba ke umnandi ndiphuma neetshomi zakho, kanti kwathetha ugogo othile phaa elalini yakho wathi abantwana balumzi bazawutyutywala bonke and abazibana ngqondo. Imali yabo izawuphelela etyaleni, akho noyiwani ozovukela ingqondo uba makuvuswe umzi, makuthandazwe, makuthini. Akho nomnye ozovukela zezo zinto. Izinto ezandivukela zezinto zirongo, ahambe nivukelwa endaweni ezirongo, zizinto ezirongo. And then now you're doing such things thinking that uyazonwabisa okanye zivisa kamnandi, kanti ufezekisa amaphupha otshaba. Bayavuya xa usenza ezo zinto because you are fulfilling their purpose, bakubambe kule ndawo bakufuna kuyo. And i-plan kaSathane ke inye is to steal, to kill and destroy. Akazukuyeka until ude ufe, ukufuna engcwabeni apha kufuna khona, ufe ufumbethe, ungenzanga anything that God has called you to do. Ubusy uhambe usenza izinto ezingacicanga apha esithubeni. So bazalwane lilonke, please be careful. Vukani, I should do this. I like doing this after I've applied spray because iyangcolisa. But it's fine, I will wait a bit. So must be careful. Akho nto wrong ngothanda abantu, akho nto wrong ngoncokola nabafana, but nawe uyayibona into xa iyi-hazard, uyayibona into xa ingaseyiyo uba hayi ke ngoku ayiseyiyo. And sometimes nabo batshatileyo ufumanisa uba umntu ukhomperisha umkakhe nale ntombazana indima ifake i-makeup, iphaphayo, inamamehlo amakhulu, isisilenda, ithenteni, ushiye umfazi endlini elazuzo. Qha ulude le into ayibonayo azikhohlise to an extent whereby alahle imbongo phoyo yana okanye alahlekelwe yinto ebalulekileyo for something that is not even worth it. Because kaloku bebona ezi hips azazicofa athini. Then in a process of him pursuing ezo hips ezo, alahlekelwe ngumkakhe obhadlileyo olithi ukazi akho kwangqunduka kwezaa hips koko ndizamakhela kwamzi kuba nditheni yonke le nto was just sexual. Uyayibona uba ayikho safe macala, both for men and women. So don't ever feel or think that you're safe because usecaweni. Not bonke abazalwana. That's not the only experience I've had with amadoda asindisiweyo. There are so many, because nam ndimdala ke. There are so many, but kuzo zonke ndamcela ukuthi ndiyamxelela ndithi ye mfazi, nantsi indoda isithi i-architect inemali izanditshata i-10 but indala ke mna ndiyazazi uba andiyo laa type engazushow offa ngomntu wayo. Owam umntu uzawushow offa ngayo. Then xa ndizawuphapha nalo mntu unje seyenezimvi andizukwazi uba, but what is it that you want me to do in this instant? Thixo uyandinceda mna, nani uzandinceda, uzasinceda sonke. Xa kuthiwa pray about everything, akuxoka kwinyanisile, pray about everything. Because I want to lighten my lip combo. So that's that. Let me finish up and then ndizobuya sendigqibile. Find i-community guys, susindiswa wedwa. Find i-community, abanye abantu basindise thetha, nam ndingile. If you trust me enough, if you think you can talk to me ingxaki zakho, ndingile, andikho perfect, but I've been through ezi zinto, ndiyazazi. Ayikho into elapha ku-YouTube wam endiyibalisayo that I've not been through. I've been through them, hence ndikwazi uthetha ngazo. So if you want to talk to me, you know what to do. If you want to share isakho story nawe, ungaza nalapha kuchannel yam sihlale down and talk about it. Singanceda omnye umntu. Who knows? I love this. Singanceda omnye umntu istori sakho se-Young Lions, seyintontoni, sendlela yakho yokusindisa, because it is not an easy journey guys. Base akuthiwa ngenxa yoba uphakamise izandla wathi yesu ndiyakankela uzawuba safe. Ukusukela ngoku aziphinde ube na-trouble, uzawuba nazo ii-troubles and zizawuba ninzi ke ngoku because uSathana akanaxesha lomntu okuye. Umntu osesembuthweni wakhe akanaxesha lakhe because yayazi uba vele lo ngowam, ndimwinile, ndiyanayisa wogwini, akho nto inintsi ndifuna ulwa aba bazikhuculayo bazisusayo kuye bafuna umbuso wezulu, bafuna ukwenza izinto right, ulandela akazukuyeka ngenxa yoba usuke wathi usindisiwe, uzawubatheka. Even worse, bafundekile. I think I'm done guys. Let me stop here. I will come back with the finished products and show you. I will spray. After this, ndizothatha ifeni yam ndizomise ngayo. Uyabona kwakungcobe ndikutsho. Uzawuthatha ifeni uzomise ngayo so that le nto melt kakuhle, and then we are done. Let me do my hair and come back guys. So this is a final look. I hope nifunde something from it, ne? I'm not mad, but ikhona into off, and ndiyana bazinwele nabayintoni, but ikhona into off. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you, may He keep you, may He keep His face shining upon you in the name of Jesus Christ. I pray for you. If you're suffering from all the things that I was talking about, please reach out, please talk to people, please talk even to me, talk to God. Most importantly, talk to your God about them, because sana kunzima ukusindiswa, inzima indlela eya ezulwini, kuthiwa kuthiwa imixino ihanjwa ngabambalwa. So if you learned anything from this, I'm glad. Whether you learned from beating your face or about the thing that I was talking about, I hope that you have learned something. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. This is, I'm not mad, man, I'm not mad. And this is a wig, by the way, it's not my hair. But because I am a creative hand, I pushed it back and I ukwikhondoza apha ngaphansi, then I did my edges and cover the wig start. So this happened. Okay, please follow me on all other social media platforms. Bye.